I first heard about these from my Italian friend Simone, who spent time in Spain. He told me they were the best thing he ever ate there. Later I found out they're everywhere, like bars, home kitchens, you name it.
Can the dish carry the spirit of place you feel out there? Croquetas de Jamón, crispy on the outside, creamy inside. Today I'll show you how to make it step by step with some helpful tips along the way.
Croquettes are one of the most beloved tapas in Spain. They may have French roots, but Spain truly made them its own. The most classic version is with jamón, dry cured ham. I'm using jamón minakami, a Japanese dry cured ham, to bring the flavor home. Let's get started. Chop it up nice and small. Start by heating butter and olive oil in a pan over medium-high heat. Add the onions and cook until they turn lightly golden. Season with a pinch of salt and nutmeg. Then stir in the chopped ham and cook for just 30 seconds. Add the flour and stir constantly until it turns a light golden brown. Then gradually pour in the milk while stirring. This will take about 15 to 20 minutes to become a creamy dough. Use milk at room temperature to help control the thickness and avoid lumps. Turn off the heat and let the dough cool down a little. Finish with a twist of salt. Transfer it to a batter bowl and press plastic wrap directly on top. Chill it in the fridge for at least 4 hours or overnight if possible. Chilling overnight gives you the best texture for shaping later. Once chilled, shape the dough into small logs. Bread each one by coating in flour, then beating egg, then breadcrumbs. Use wet hands to keep the dough from sticking. Heat oil to medium heat and gently fry the croquettes for about 5 minutes total, turning once. Once golden, remove and drain on paper towels. Let them cool slightly, then enjoy while hot. Just look at the golden crust. You can hear how crispy it is. Alright, let's try it. Creamy rich and just a little salty from the ham. Funny how something this simple can feel so comforting. Food has a way of bringing faraway places a little closer. It's not just a dish, it's a story worth sharing. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Enjoy your meal.